Hello friends, now here is the step-by-step solution of this math problem by using the BODMAS rule. BODMAS rule says first we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stand for or we convert into multiplication, we solve roots and exponent. D stands for division, M stand for multiplication, A stand for addition, S stand for subtraction. Now according to the BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. First step, innermost bracket, solve the round brackets, 2 plus 3. Inside the square brackets, after we'll get 5 as a result. Now according to the BODMAS, brackets always take the highest priority. We must simplify the inner grouping first. And now the current expression becomes 100 divided by 4 multiplied by 5 plus square. Now move to the next step. Inside the square bracket, division. Perform 100 divided by 4. 100 divided by 4 multiplied by 5. First we divide the values. 100 divided by 4 will get 25. According to this step, inside the brackets we have a division and multiplication. Since they hold equal priority, we perform left to right. Division comes first to the left. So now the current expression becomes 25 multiplied by 5 plus bracket 5 cube minus 20 plus 25. Move to the next step. Complete the square bracket multiplication. 25 into 5 completely eliminate the square brackets. And now it will become 125 as a result. According to this step, this completes the operation inside the first set of brackets. So now the current expression becomes 125 bracket 5 cube minus 20 and plus 25. Move to the next step. Second bracket, order exponents, and now evaluate the exponent 5 cube inside the remaining bracket. Now 5 cube is equal to 125. According to this step, before we can solve the subtraction inside the bracket, we must evaluate the exponent order according to O in the BODMAS. And now the current expression becomes 125 plus 125 minus 20 plus 25. Now move to the next step. Complete the second bracket, subtraction, and now subtract to clear the final bracket. 125 minus 20 becomes 105, and according to this step we must clear all the group terms before handling the remaining addition outside. And now the current expression becomes 125 plus 105 plus 25. Now the finally addition, add all the remaining numbers from left to right. Only addition are left, so we compute from left to right. So now 125 plus 105 equals to 230, and after 230 plus 25 will get 255, and this is the final result. According to this expression, the conclusion says by systematically breaking down the inner grouping first and respecting to the left to right rule for operation of equal rank, and the expression simplifies clearly to 255. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Bye bye.